What's up, gamers? I'm here to tell you a little bit about my experience using and returning for repair the YESTON Sakura RX7900XTX with a Radeon chip. And since YESTON is more of a new player in the Western GPU market, maybe not everyone bought one, maybe one could have thought there might be issues returning it, or if something goes wrong since it's a Chinese manufacturer. Then again, everything's made in China today anyways. I just want to tell you my experience. So I bought this card on the YESTONstore.com website, YESTON's own seller, in the middle of November 2023. Received it and started using it at the end of November 2023. And it died on me around February 21st, 2024. So that's around 3 months of actual usage. That's bad, but bad things can happen sometimes. I have had the opportunity to contact customer support of YESTON and send it back for repair. And even though I emailed them during Chinese New Year, still one of their representatives got in touch with me and directed me towards his colleague in customer support for repairs. And I sent the card away. I've received it today. As you can see, here it is, working its best. In fact, we are doing a stress test right now. It's staying around 85 degrees. It's preset to quiet. And now it works great. When it broke, it had intermittent fragmentation of the display and crashes to the white screen. That was when playing Honkai Star Rail, not the most demanding game. And I think what broke was one of the power management components on the board. That can happen sometimes. Well, send it in. It took 25 days for the package to arrive in China. I picked the cheap non-express delivery, but with tracking. And it took about 3.5 weeks for YESTON to repair my GPU and send it back to me. They sent it back to me with the 4PX delivery. Express apparently, because it took only 5 working days for the GPU to arrive here from China. And as you can see, it works perfectly fine now. I can play everything. It's cool and quiet, doesn't make any weird noises. And overall, I would say I've had a decently good experience with YESTON. I would buy another card again. Sometimes things break, that just happens, but what we can see now is that YESTON does indeed honor their warranties, and the only, let's say, risk you have when buying a YESTON GPU is that you might have to go through the mild inconvenience of having to send it via parcel to China for repairs rather than being able to just hand it over physically at some local retailer. Yeah, that's about it. I just wanted to put it out there because it's a pretty cool looking card. I didn't see another manufacturer doing something cool like this, and yeah, it's definitely worth a try. If you've been considering buying a YESTON GPU and you are wondering about how it goes, then now you know. See ya.